adventure, sports, outdoors. With host Harry Canterbury.
There I was, back in the wild again, and I felt right at home where I belong. I had that feeling coming over me again, just like it happened so many times before.
Welcome to another edition of Adventure Sports Outdoors. We're down in sunny Florida. It's not sunny today. We haven't had enough rain down here to get a drink of water. It's been dry. We've had, I think, 2 rains in 6 months, and we're in a drought. We've had a lot of fires, but we've been having a lot of fun, as much fun as we possibly could. Everything's shut down here just like it is up north. We don't go out. We haven't been out to eat in 2 months, 2.5 months. We ordered, what, a pizza, right?
We had a pizza one time, and it was delivered here to the house, but
Right.
I basically have been cooking every night,
Yeah, it's really finding out she's a pretty good cook. She's not too bad. But we went fishing out on the Mayaca River with the Dooleys, Sharon and Dave, and then also my good buddy, the Cisco Kid, Abel Villamontes. He celebrated his 58th year of escaping Cuba in 1962. He's the same age I am, 67 years old. We had a lot of fun. A very, very dear friend, him and his wife both. But you're about ready to go back, right?
I love Florida. My mom's here, and we have a beautiful home, swimming pool, and a boat.
That's right. But anyway, we've got a nice little show put together. We did some fishing with Sharon and Dave. We did some fishing with Abel. And Mr. Fish, Pat Sullivan, went fishing for us up in the Peoria area for crappies, and they were very successful, and they did pretty darn good. Thanks, Pat, for doing a little filming. We appreciate that. We also have got some other stuff I think you'll be very interested in. So stay tuned for a great show, and hey, be safe and be secure.
Adventure Sports Outdoors is brought to you in part by Corsall Lumber, manufacturers of quality hardwood products, buyers of standing timber in Smithfield. Central Pool Supply, everything from pools to pool tables and much more in Peoria on West Pioneer Parkway. Kelleher's Irish Pub and Eatery, located on Peoria's riverfront, open 11 a.m. daily. Eastport Marina, one of the only marinas in its class between Chicago and St. Louis, on Mariners Way in East Peoria. And by Goodwill of Central Illinois, free employment and veteran and youth services made possible because you donate. Our thanks to all of these sponsors.
Well, we're going to do a little social distance fishing, so we're going to have a good time. Going to go out and do a little bit of fishing. We're all going to be in each individual boat, so each man is in a boat. Each person has their own boat and their own vehicle, and we've loaded it ourselves, so we're all set that side.
Well, I'm Pat Sullivan, filling in for Harry Canterbury, Adventure Sports Outdoors. And we're out here on a nice lake, beautiful day. The social distancing's tough. And we got the fishermen gotta abide by it like everybody else. And we have Bill Shaner and Gary Zwicky fishing with us. They're in their own separate boats. You saw them pull out before me. Ran into the Taylor family over here. So you got 4 out of 7.
4 out of 7 are here, yep. The other 2 are in college, and my daughter is not a fisherwoman, so.
Yeah.
But it's kind of nice. Normally we'd be at a soccer game or a soccer tournament or a baseball tournament.
Yeah. Okay, which one we got here?
Matthew,
okay. Any bites yet, Matthew?
Nope.
No bites yet? Okay. Good. The good one. It's just starting to warm up, so they should be hitting here pretty soon. Okay, what's your name?
I'm Nate.
Nate Taylor.
Yep.
Wait, who's this fireball? Peter? All right, Peter, no bites yet?
Yeah.
Good, you got a bite? Good. You gotta hold your mouth right, Peter. You know that, don't you? I think I'm talking to a pro up there. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Gary's got one on. What do you got there, Gary? Nice bluegill. That should be a crappie. Bluegill. Well, keep pulling those out, though. That's what he wants out. All right, that's what we come down to see. Yeah, a little bass. There you go.
Nice springtime bass.
We couldn't hear nothing pretty, so we thought we'd come down and check you out. Ooh, gonna fight me. A little bass on here, I believe. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get him in. Oh yeah, nice bass. There you go, boys. That's a nice 13 or 14 incher. Oh yeah, right underneath there. A little guy, but that was fun. I got my drag on. Right, I thought where he was at. He wasn't going to get off. Look at that bite. He was after that, right in the hard part of the top of his mouth. A nice 13-inch bass, right underneath the logs. Off the wacky worm. We'll try that again. Fish on. Right over there. That's nice when you call them, isn't it? Not a very big one, but it's a fish. That's number 3. There we go. Now I get to keep him. About an 11-inch.
Right, hey, got a nice little 12-inch crappie here. Little. It's nothing like
Nice.
a spring crappie this big. That's not,
Yeah,
not
that'd
bad
be-
at all.
That'd be a nice eater.
Yes, he will. I can't complain about that one.
I got a little one. Give me a nice fight though. There he goes. There he is. Get him in here. I was a little hesitant to set that hook because the last time I set the hook, it was a log. Yeah, we're in good shape with that one. Jerk it again. There he goes. There he goes. Nice one. Yeah, he jerked it twice that time. Oh yeah. Hello. Hello. Oh yeah. Might be a little too big. Well, how do you guys do? I caught about 9 bass, a nice 15-incher, and he's got a lot of them on tape. So we heard from Harry. He caught some good fish today down in Florida. So how'd you guys do?
Got 3 crappies and 3 bluegills.
Great.
And I got 3 bass and a nice sized crappie. A nice sized crappie. I can't complain. First day, first spring fishing for me, so it was a good time.
Well, it's coming, but we got to get rid of this virus thing.
Yeah.
All of us taking our own boat ain't much fun, I can't get in your holes. I can't get in your fishing holes.
You tried.
yeah, I tried with you, yeah. Thanks, John, and
Thanks,
we had a
John. Good
time.
day.
Thank you, John.
No problem. Glad to have you out. So, we gotta catch them to keep them quality fish. If you don't, they get stunted. So, appreciate you guys being out here.
Hi, I'm Dave Barth with your Sportsman's Tip of the Week. In 2017, switchblade knives became legal. You must have an Illinois Firearms ID card and you must be 21 years of age to possess one. Here's some examples of switchblade knives. These are economy models here. This is a side folder. Another one, and we have an out the front. These sell for in the $30 to $60 range. A little winter camouflage here. And some of the high-end switchblades are Benchmades. There's a side folder, and most of the side folders will have a safety. Flip the safety off and you're ready to go, and it's pretty heavy spring tension. They make an out the front, and most of them have a pocket clip, and that's an example of out the front. And then we have a selection of Cobra Tech knives. These are pretty good quality knives and at a reasonable price. They're in the $100 range for the most part. And again, it's out the front. If you're in law enforcement, they have a glass breaker on the back end of them. They come with a nice hard case and many different colors and blade styles. So if your hands are full and you need to operate a knife with one hand, a switchblade is a good way to go. I'm Dave Barth with your Sportsman's Tip of the Week.
Wow, look at that sun.
Beautiful.
Oh, I think we got one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that seems
there
like
we
a nice
go.
one. Seems like a nice one, Abel.
Yeah. Oh, man,
hey.
yeah.
Hey.
So,
either a
feisty
shark or
little
a
guy.
real nice
yeah, that's a nice sail.
sail cat. I
Yep.
bet he's a pretty
Sure
decent
is.
one.
That's a nice one, too.
Nice sail cat.
Yeah,
You know, we ate those the other night, and
Yeah,
people
you don't want to come out.
they haven't got a clue how good they are.
I figured they'll be sleeping. There we go.
Just take a look.
There you go.
That was caught on a frozen shrimp. It's a knothead, isn't it?
No, that's a sail.
The sail?
Yep.
I couldn't see a sail.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, there's the first one of the
Yep,
day, nice and
remember-
early in the morning.
Remember, the key to this is get them always from the belly.
Oh boy, those babies hurt.
Yeah, get it from the belly like
Swell
so.
you up like poison.
From
Hey, we got one on now. Just put that bait on, I don't know, 20 seconds ago. And we got something. I don't know what it is, but it seems like a decent fish, but we'll find out here real quick. And I mean, my line, whoa, baby, whoa.
Oh, you got a good one.
Yeah, I think it's a decent one. But you know what? For a little fish, you get, it's about like a bluegill. Fight? God, did they fight. Whoa! This here, you know what? It wasn't all that big. And it's not a sail cat. It's a knothead. It's a knothead. Look at there.
Yeah.
Now this looks just like our channel cat. Very, very similar. Except if he gets you within horns, you're going to remember that the rest of your life. There he is right there. See, that's not a sail cat. That's just a standard Myakka River knothead, flathead. Knothead's what they call them.
I think we got a little one here.
That's a little one?
I think it's a small one, yeah.
What you got on there? Some of that frozen shrimp?
I think I got live shrimp on this one here. Wow, there we go. Come on, baby. Don't be shy. Let me
fun fish to
tighten
catch.
my Don't be shy. Come on. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, nice little size one.
Yeah, that's decent.
Is that a sail? No, it's a hardhead.
Hardhead.
They turn around and then you sneak up behind them. That's how you get these suckers.
Right.
Let me see. Come on, open up. Say out.
Got another one. Oh, uh-oh. Stingray. Hey there.
Hey, see, there you're on your own there. You know, those are good eating.
Well, you know what I hear they do is if you take them out and you get like a little cookie cutter and you make scallops out of them. They call it poor man's scallops.
Yeah.
I mean, he's not very big or she's not very big, so I'm going to let her go. But you can catch them out here, and people do eat them.
Yep. Oh, Harry, I think we got another one. I don't know what it is, but it feels a little heavy. I have to tighten up the drag some.
Boy, he is a.
Yeah.
Maybe we got a nice sail
Maybe.
going on now, huh?
Oh,
What's on
yeah,
that
pulling the
frozen
drag.
shrimp? Boy, they're fine.
Ooh, this one.
It took a little long
Yeah.
time, huh? Pretty deep one,
Wow.
I guess.
I don't think this is gonna be a still cat.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Some kind of cat.
Yeah, it's a big one. Wow, that's a good size right
Good
there.
one. Yeah, that's the ones we've been after all morning.
Yeah.
Good one.
Now that one was with a live shrimp.
Live shrimp. Well, maybe we ought to go in the frozen door.
Okay.
Like I said, everything.
Oh, this guy barely got.
live shrimp.
He barely got caught on there. See it? Okay, Harry, I think you got one.
Got another one. Let's hope he's big, Abel.
Yeah.
That's real big. Not it. Pretty good size not it. Get him on those squid.
Squid, yeah, that's where it is.
Lost the squid, still got the fish. Hey, it's a good one. Good one, Dave. That's a decent fish, sure.
Okay, here we are again. We're gonna try our luck again today. Today we're trolling with silver spoon. These are very good for Spanish mackerels. Hey, Harry, yeah. Today's 58 years of my freedom in this country. Thank God for my parents, my true heroes, that sacrificed everything that they had to get us to come to the United States, to a new life, to new customs, and a new way of life. We come from an oppressed communist country, being Cuba, and we came here to the United States. So my brother, he sent me a text, and it reads like this: "Happy anniversary, brother. 58 years ago, God bless us for coming to the U.S. to start a new life. I credit Mom and Dad for making the decision to leave behind everything they worked for in their lives in order to save our lives. I hope you will have a good day. Much love to you, your favorite brother." Yeah, he's my favorite brother because he's my only brother. That's why it's just a thing we had going.
Here we go.
Now I have it.
Spanish mackerel.
There you
There we go. That's a nice one.
Yeah. Oh, gee. We can find this for the past half hour.
Nice one. They're not bad either.
No, they're good eating.
Okay, bring them on in.
All right, get the net, get the net. Get the net out.
Hold on, I gotta find the net. There you go.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Well, he ate that sucker. Look at that.
Silver spoon. Good one.
Yeah.
Well, at least we didn't get Scott.
Yeah, look at that. That's a nice Spanish mackerel.
Good.
Yeah, we got one.
Fish on, huh?
Yeah, fish on.
Good deal. Been a while.
Yeah.
Think you can handle it, Vern?
Look at that, baby. Go.
My goodness, what do we got?
Probably jack. Maybe a shark. It could be coming this way.
Well, I heard that.
A lot of
dip
times
is
the
blowing
sharks
us
that
out
come
of
at you,
water.
see, this is coming in too easy. Could be a shark.
That's what we caught them yesterday where they ripped us up. Tore up 5 of our reels.
Tighten this up a little bit more. It is right here.
You see it?
Jack.
Jack?
Yeah. See right here?
Oh yeah, I see them out there. Well, they're pretty.
You got that thing in neutral, right? I don't want him going behind the boat.
We're neutral.
Yeah.
There he goes. That's what they do. They go under the boat. Still got him?
Oh yeah. He's under the boat. He's trying to get some shade.
Yeah.
A shark up to get some.
Or flipper. Flipper's right here.
Okay. I'm all the way in, so.
There he is right there. See, he's down there waiting.
We got him.
There he is. He's wanting that fish.
There you go, Harry.
Yeah, let's take a look at her. Yeah, that's a nice, a lot of fun to catch. Caught a lot of those over the years. Nice fish. We'll probably let him go.
Yeah. I don't know if I told you earlier, today is my anniversary for being free in this country.
Yeah.
I'm going to give him his freedom.
Well, good. Just like you guys.
Just like I got my freedom today 58 years ago.
50 years ago.
58.
Oh, it's 58 years ago.
Yeah.
I thought it was 50.
Yeah, 58.
58.
So anyway.
Well, you both get to be free today.
Yeah, so there you go, buddy.
Yep.
His hair's a little, he got more hair than I do. But
He might swim back to Cuba then.
No, he knows better than that. He'd rather be fish fry here than being live in Cuba. All righty, buddy, ready?
There you go.
Right, there's the dolphin right there.
Yep.
Okay, today we're gonna do an avocado salad. Okay, this is a Florida avocado, Florida grown avocado. It's almost like perfect for the picking right now. Anyway, the reason why I have this paper bag is I had it when I first bought it at a Walmart. It was a little hard, so I put it in the bag, sealed it up real good and I bought these about 3 days ago, and now they're ready to go now. So, or it's ready to go. So we're gonna need an avocado, a white onion, half of a lime, oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Okay, so that's all we need for this one here. This is gonna be a quick video here. So what we do is we cut the avocado in half. Here we go. Voila. This thing here, usually it'll stick in there like so. You just come and grab it and do that, and then you put it in your trash. Okay, so now, with this knife, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut here, make little wedges. We're gonna do just one of that, and then we're gonna cut this way. Just be careful with the knife, it doesn't go through, and then you cut your finger off then. So you have that one there, one the long way, and we cut like so. 1, 2, basically what you want to do is like bite-sized pieces. Once we have that, we come in here with a spoon and just empty it out. Now this goes great with the pork chunks that we did the other video. It goes great with the pork chunks. As a matter of fact, I was telling you about my neighbor Noreen, that she likes the pork chunks. I always make this for her as well. It's pork chunks, avocado salad, and Cuban coffee, and salmon. So anyway, so here we go. That's just the avocado right there. As you can, I mean, this is only one little avocado, so we're just doing this so you learn how to do the salad itself. Now we have here a half an onion, and what I'm gonna do is just basically just cut it into slices like so. You can cut it into whichever way you want. You can cut it into rings if you want, or so on and so forth. So now we spread it out. Like so. And I gotta tell you, this is very refreshing. Now you may be able, I mean, not maybe, but I know you can do it. You can do this also with Hass avocados. the smaller avocados. But to me, these big Florida avocados, they're meatier, they're oilier, and also, if any of you folks are on a keto diet or something or any kind of a diet, avocado is a very good fat. It's a part of the good fat group. So anyway, so now we toast it like so. And now what we're gonna do is a little bit of a lime. Remember what I showed you in the other video before? You freeze a lime. You freeze a lime, and then you put it in the microwave for 1 minute. And when it comes out, it comes very, very pliable like this. That's how they come out. Very pliable and full of juice. So there you go. So right now, this is it. So now what we do is we're gonna come over here with like equal parts more or less of oil and vinegar. Again, you can use whatever salad dressing you like on this. You can use like Italian, or you can do whatever you like on it. This just happens to be the way Mama used to make. And I'm 67 years old. So we're going back a couple of years. So we got that and that. Again, we're gonna turn it. Basically the lime, it gives it a little bit of flavor for the avocado, but at the same time, it keeps it from turning dark. And now we're gonna do the salt and pepper. There you go. That's salt. We got a little bit of pepper here. And we stir it again. And that's about it. This is your avocado and white onion salad. Now what you would do is cover it up with a little bit of saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator. This is usually better when you eat it cold. It's like a little salad. So you eat it cold, it tastes a lot better. So anyway, so this goes great with the pork chunks. Goes good with, well, basically with anything that you want to cook. But try it and you'll see that it'll be one of your favorites. Alrighty, I'll talk to you next time. Thank you.
Adventure Sports Outdoors is brought to you in part by Corsall Lumber, manufacturers of quality hardwood products, buyers of standing timber in Smithfield. Central Pool Supply, everything from pools to pool tables and much more in Peoria on West Pioneer Parkway. Kelleher's Irish Pub and Eatery, located on Peoria's riverfront, open 11 a.m. daily. Eastport Marina, one of the only marinas in its class between Chicago and St. Louis, on Mariners Way in East Peoria. And by Goodwill of Central Illinois, free employment and veteran and youth services made possible because you donate. Our thanks to all of these sponsors.